Our world is constantly moving faster than ever before, where smartphones are getting smarter, AI is becoming more intelligent, our climate is getting worse every year. From smartphones to chatbots, artificial intelligence is already present in our daily digital lives today. According to computer scientists, we are sleepwalking into a future in which billions of machines and computers will be able to think. Today, we believe that humans are far smarter than any type of AI. But in 50 years into the future, our societies will change drastically. Our technology is rapidly evolving. If we look back 10 years, we have come a long way already. Imagine how advanced our technology will be 50 years in the future. If we can be sure of anything, it is that the future means we will be wearing our technology on the outside and maybe one day on the inside too. Imagine a world where you could see in the dark like Superman, or lift 20 tons easily, or have a third bionic arm, or upgrade your body parts. Yes, a cyborg. A cyborg is a superhuman that is half human, half robot, that combines organic and mechanic body parts to enhance capabilities. In the future, it is going to be impossible to draw a line between being a human being and a cyborg. What if your pet dog or a cat could talk instead of barking or meowing? That's right, AI can make our dream of being able to talk with animals a reality. You would finally know just how much your dog loves you, and maybe how sorry your dog is about the mess on the carpet. You might find it scary at first, but it is going to be fun to talk with them. The future of transportation on the ground is going to be hyper-fast trains. These trains will not only be the fastest mode of transportation on the ground, but also a scalable technology to connect long distances. Today, we see Hyperloop as a promising future, and the average speed of a Hyperloop can be 1,200 km per hour. In short, traveling from Pune to Mumbai will take you only 20 minutes instead of 3 hours by road, or Dubai to Abu Dhabi in just over 10 minutes instead of 2 hours. Taking a look at the skies from the ground, we will see flying cars moving around. A flying car is a type of personal air vehicle or roadable aircraft that will provide a point-to-point transportation. Using several hundred meters of space above the ground means you can potentially have a lot less traffic congestion, and less congestion means more happiness. The gesture-based computing is a way a human body interacts with digital devices without using conventional inputs such as keyboard, mouse, or voice. This technology is already here around us right now in the field of computer games, but in the future, more sophisticated domains will make use of gesture computing, like no physical contact with the computer screen, gesture recognition for surgical robots, and many more. We all have probably used internet using Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi uses radio frequencies to connect devices, but in the future, we will use Li-Fi that uses light to connect devices. These connections will occur almost instantly as light travels at extremely fast speeds. Li-Fi is going to be about 100 times faster than speeds achievable by Wi-Fi. Looking at the changing climate and growing population on Earth, farms will move indoors, vertical and into the cities. The vertical farming market is in boom today, and by 2050, there will be large-scale vertical farms all around the world using very little water and land. By 2050, the world may run on quantum computers. A quantum computer is far more different than a current transistor-based model. Some of the usage of quantum computing in 2050 will be for pharmaceutical companies. They could accelerate the discovery of new drugs. In material companies, they could discover new molecular structures. Finance companies, they could develop new trading strategies. Transportation companies, they could optimize logistics and many more. In the future, robotic prosthetics will be more advanced and stronger than our biological ones. Prosthetic eyes, ears, arms, legs will enter the market, removing blindness, deafness, and disabilities.